Now here is the question. Test which of the following pairs stand for parallel lines. Now next question. Are these lines perpendicular lines? Whenever we talk about a straight line, this is a straight line. Equation of the straight line is given by ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is called general equation of line. We can say it is a master equation. Every other equation can be converted by using this equation. So this is a master equation. It is called as a general equation of straight line. And whenever the straight line given, we need to find slope of the line. M equals to slope of the line. And slope of the line M equals to minus a upon b. That is minus x coefficient divided by y coefficient. By using this formula, we can find out slope of the line. Whenever the lines are given, for example, these are the two lines, they are parallel lines. Whenever the lines are parallel, they have the same slope. The slope of the two lines is same if the lines are parallel. So, the condition for parallel line is m1 equals to m2. Similarly, when the lines are perpendicular to each other, angle between them equals to 90 degrees. Slope of first line, let us say m1, and slope of second line, let us say m2. They are perpendicular to each other. Whenever the lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slopes, that is m1 multiplied by m2, has to be equal to minus 1. So, lines are parallel if m1 equals to m2, and lines are perpendicular if m1 multiplied by m2 equals to minus 1. So by deciding slopes, if the slopes are equal, then lines are parallel. If product of the slope equals to minus 1, then lines are perpendicular. Just now I said the slope of the line is given by m equals to minus a upon b. For example, suppose we got a line 2x plus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. M is the slope of line. Here is a value equals to 2. Comparing with the standard equation. Standard equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So comparing with this equation, we get a value equals to 2, and it is a by, that is a b value equals to 4, and c equals to constant, that is c equals to 6. Now formula for slope of line is minus a upon b. So what is the value of a? The a value is 2. So write down 2 here. What is the b value? B value is 4. So write down 4 here. Now if cutting possible, cut it them. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So slope of line m equals to minus 1 upon 2. Let us take one more example. 7x plus 8y plus 9 equals to 0. Again, comparing with the standard equation, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we get a equals to 7 and b equals to 8. So slope of line is given by m equals to minus a upon b. So m equals to minus 7 upon 8 is the slope of line. One more example. Suppose there is a minus term like 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. One of the term is negative or both the terms are negative. It doesn't make any difference. Only the result will change. The formula will remain the same. For example, 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. In this equation, a value is 3, b value is minus 4, and slope of line equals to minus a upon b. So m equals to minus 3 divided by minus 4. So slope of line becomes m equals to 3 upon 4. Now here is the question. Test which of the following pairs stand for parallel lines. In first pair, 2x plus 4y plus 6 equals to 0 and 3x plus 8y plus 1 equals to 0. So let us first solve first question. There is a 2x plus 4y plus 6 equals to 0 and 3x plus 8y plus 1 equals to 0. Now let us call the slope of the first line be the m1 and the slope of the second line be the m2. m1 value is equals to minus 2 upon 4. I calculated by using earlier formula, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then m value is minus a upon b. Similarly, I can calculate m2 value. So m2 again minus 3 upon 8. We do observe that m1 not equal to m2 implies these are not parallel. These lines are not parallel because their slopes are not same. Now test the second condition, second question. The second question, the two lines are 5x plus 10y plus 2 equals to 0 and 5x plus 10y plus 5 equals to 0. Here the slope of line, let us call m1 and call it as a m2. m1 equals to minus a upon b, that is minus 5 upon 10, and m2 given the minus 5 upon 10 implies m1 equals to m2 implies these two lines in the second case are parallel. These lines are parallel. Second case proved to be correct, that given lines are parallel because their slopes are identical. Now next question, are these lines perpendicular lines? The two equations are given. We need to decide are these lines are perpendicular or not. For that, first line 3x plus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. The slope of this line is minus 3 upon 4. Call it m1. So m1 equals to minus 3 upon 4. Now the second line 4x minus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. The slope of line m2. All the slope of this line is m2. m2 equals to minus 4 upon minus 3 equals to 4 upon 3. Now you multiply them, m1 into m2, that is minus 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 3. 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, we get minus 1. Since m1 multiplied by m2, that is product of m1 and m2 equals to minus 1, implies given lines are perpendicular lines.